in all honesty, and to just give you full disclosure, when I walk to the office, it's a lot easier since HOPE is literally around the corner from where I live. So I am able to walk down the street, and I come there in all types of attire because, one, HOPE is a neighbor, but two, HOPE is also providing an important service not to just Cambria Heights, but to the entire city. And I'm leaving here a man who is caught religion, even more religion, as a result of what I've been hearing about with the pledges and making sure that at the city level we provide additional support to HOPE to make sure that we're not just good neighbors both personally, but we're good neighbors as a city as well, and making sure through Elsie and through the board and all their hard work and their staff that we're providing the necessary support and breaking down the barriers to make sure that HOPE thrives from now until the future. So Elsie, you have my pledge to work even closer with you to address the issues. And just so people know this, and I think you all do know this, but just to say it publicly, that Elsie is just a fantastic leader of HOPE. She does an outstanding job along with our board because Elsie not just advocates on behalf of the agency, she advocates on behalf of each individual person that comes through the agency's door, requiring help, sending out emails, sending calls, saying, I need your help. And as a result of her professionalism, as a result of her leadership, that's why you have the assemblyman, the councilman, representatives from the state senator, the congressman, and others who always either come here or respond to Elsie because she and her board and all of their staff do an outstanding job. So our pledge is to make sure we continue to support you and to support you even stronger than in the past. Thank you very much.